Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi and let's dream about beauty. In today's video I have a very special unboxing. I have a gift from my good friend Lisa, Banning, Panning and Beyond as you may know her as, and she has sent me a beautiful gift. I don't know what it is. I know it's beautiful because she told me it is. And she has been very patiently waiting for me to unbox this, and I have been very patiently waiting to unbox it myself. I wanted to do it on camera, but I've been struggling from depression and I've been having a really hard time filming, a hard time really motivating myself to do anything. So, but today is the big day. I got in the shower, I washed my hair, I did my makeup, I got dressed. I'm winning. Today is a winning day. And we are gonna unbox this and see what it is. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the box is half opened. It got a little crumpled on the way to Canada from Australia. This is from Glaminatrix, so I'm pretty excited to, I don't have any Glaminatrix shadows. I think it was the Sandra Rose palette that I really wanted. But anyhow, so let's see what is in here. Trying to figure out the best way to open this up. Got my huge fabric scissors. I should not be using them for this, but I can't find my other scissors, so I'm using my fabric scissors. Oh, that didn't help. Okay, I guess I'll just open it from here where it's already kind of opening. Okay, so lots of white tissue paper. What is, so this is, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is an empty magnetic palette. Well, yeah, I think it's an empty magnetic palette. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Alright, what else is in here? Lisa, I stinking love this. Like, this is the most beautiful magnetic palette I now own. Ooh, singles. Okay, I think that's it in the box. Lisa, this is way too generous. So it's all wrapped up. I don't think I've ever done like a unboxing of a gift with friend mail. So this is my first time. I don't really know how to do it. And I used a new eyebrow pencil. So Dior came out with like a, what they call it, a powder pencil for eyebrows, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Sorry, I tape. I should use the scissors. All right, so I have a lot of new singles and I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Lisa. This is amazing. Oh, my battery is gonna die. Before I start digging into these, I'd better change my battery. 1 moment. Okay, sorry about that. So the first, this is called Blue Jeans from Glaminatrix. And it is a beautiful grayish blue. Really beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, I'll put it in. God, I just stinking love this makeup palette, this empty magnetic palette. Okay, so there's Blue Jeans. This one is like an antique gold, maybe. This one is called Botanical. Oh my god, they swatch so beautifully. Look at that. Oops, I accidentally swatched it with the same finger that I did my... That swatched beautifully, even though there's a little bit of blue in it because I used the same finger. Oh well. Okay, so now here is a matte bluish purple. And this one is called Bluebell. Oh my god, I love that name. Did you guys watch Bridgerton? Because in the last dance of the season, everyone wore blue, and I was dying of happiness. All those beautiful blue ball gowns. That's a B alliteration. Beautiful blue ball gowns. Look at that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Oh, that just goes on so nicely. That is the shade Bluebell. Okay, so that's the first three. I'm dying of curiosity to see what else. Oh my god. This is Icicle. It is a light, medium light blue, shimmer metallic. These metallic frame shadows are absolutely stunning. Let's see how beautiful that is. I love it. Lisa knows me so well. Oh, oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, and the next one is called Deep Sea. Oh my god, it's like a blurple, like a deep blurple. Definitely didn't come out quite as dark as I thought it would, but it is looks a little bit more like that one, but it's still beautiful. God, all these blues, I'm so happy. Ooh, and a gray. You know what? I hear so many people who don't like gray. I love gray eyeshadow. It's one of my favorites. This one is called Polar. That's up my alley because I live sometimes it feels like I live in the North Pole. So this is like just an absolute perfect transition gray. Wow. I cannot get over how nicely these are swatching. Okay, so that's it for that row. Now moving on. Lisa, you were too generous. This is amazing. I get my button gear and get your package sent to you. I have to do it before Friday or Thursday, because Thursday I'm flying to Toronto and then Boston. I'm very excited to go to Boston and New Hampshire. I'm very excited to go to New Hampshire. I've never really been to the East Coast, so this one is called Midnight. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that beautiful row of blue eyeshadows. Okay, and then we've got one that is called Arctic. Yay. My cat wants at the door. He thinks I'm talking to somebody. This is a very light blue, kind of a bluey silver, metallic. It'll go beautifully with that gray color. Wow. That is incredible. All right, and next we have Mojito. It is a silvery, it's almost like a silvery minty blue. Very beautiful. I'm so happy to have some shades, some shadows from Glaminatrix now, and I'm so stinking impressed. Okay, so we've got 6 more shadows. This one is called Minty Fresh. And it is a minty matte shadow. Wow. That is amazing for a pastel. Holy mackerel. Okay. Ooh, that one's beautiful. The next one's called Cosmetics. Oh, no, wait. Posy. It's called Cosmetics Posy. No, Cosmetics is Glaminatrix Cosmetics written on the back. Oh my goodness, I'm so special. So this is a beautiful teal. Greenish teal. Greeny, well, yeah. It's more of a green teal than a blue teal. Oh my god, I love that. And then we've got Oceanic. Oh my god. This shade looks beautiful. Lisa, oh my god. I just don't know if you can kind of get the different shifts in this particular shade, but it is definitely a duochrome. I see gold and, well, I see many colors. Ooh-wee. That is so beautiful. All right, we've got 3 left. This one looks like a true silver. It's called Pistol. Maybe more of a gunmetal. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. That is really beautiful. Look at all those gorgeous swatches on my arm. I'm so happy. Okay, oh, this one looks really nice too. This one is called Pixie. Love these names. This one looks like a duochrome too. Wow. Oops, I missed, oh no. So that was just a reflection. I think I got them all. Okay, and I think this is the last one. Ooh, this one looks like a true silver. This one is called Flourish. Beautiful. Oh my God, that is incredible. I just can't believe how beautifully these all swatched. Definitely these are down here, these last ones, I think, these ones look like, when I look at them in the camera, they feel like special shades to me. Well, they're all special. So, I think that's all of them. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. So, thank you so much, Lisa. I don't even know what to say. Your generosity just blows me away, and I absolutely love these shadows. I can't wait to get them on my eyes. I got your package all boxed up, ready to ship tomorrow, and I will look forward to seeing you open your present. So, much love to everybody, and time is our most precious resource, and when you spend a little bit of your precious time with me, I really appreciate it. I hope wherever in the world you are, that you're well, that you're healthy, that you're happy. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, activate the notification bell, comment down below, and maybe a thumbs up. And that's it from me for today. Take care. Bye-bye.